Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's Toya again. So today's look's gonna be cut crease, but it's not like full cut crease, it's gonna be half cut crease. So if you wonder how I made this, please stay tuned. Okay, let's get started with the brow. I use Mercier Beverly Hills color taupe and 7B brush from Mercier Beverly Hills as well. And for the contour, I use Girl Almond contour and sculpted my face with F80 Sigma Beauty brush. So today I'm gonna bake. So I'm picking my transition powder from Mercier, set the under of my eyes and eyelid and eyebrow as well. And then I'm gonna picking up these two color, mix it well and apply it in my crease area. This is gonna be my transition shade. And I'm just gonna mixing this darker brown shade, mix it together and apply it in my outer corner of my eyes and blend it well. I'm changing my brush Sigma 838. And I'm picking up black eyeshadow to apply out corner of my eyes. You have to be emphasized, so you will need to have a smaller angle brush or pencil brush. And I'm just gonna start conceal. This is gonna be half cut crease, so I'm gonna conceal the half of my eyes. Okay, time to move on to the shimmery shade. I'm gonna picking up the orange shade and red color of shimmery color and mix it together, and also picking up some shimmery color from Ardell Beauty Rose Gold palette and use my fingers to apply it. And I'm gonna mix in these two colors and apply it in my bottom lash line. So basically just repeating the steps that I applied on top of my eyes and just like bring it down to the bottom. So just applying exactly the same thing, and also black eyeshadow of course. So I'm gonna using wearing white contour to sculpt my face. Already contoured anyway, so just to make sure give it extra. So just it's gonna be looks like exactly snatch that I want, and also do reverse contouring. And of course I use my trophy white, my favorite highlighter. Yeah, give that glow. For the lip, I'm gonna using a Beverly Hills Lip Palette. Of course, I always do and I always will. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So please thumbs up and see you next time. We dance.